Hello friends, welcome back to Arc Habitu, especially for young innovative minds. So this is our lesson 4 of Nata Jee means B Arc preparation. And if you are watching this video for the first time, then do watch lesson 1, lesson 2 and lesson 3, which are based on the basic concept of perspective, then 1 point perspective, then 2 point perspective. And this is going to be a real life situation for 2 point perspective, which is a street view uh, as I promised you for the lesson 3. And if you are liking the video series and if you are learning something from this, do subscribe to our channel Arc Habitu and also share with your friends who aim to be young architects. So I'm aiming at a complete course for B Arc entrances, and this is the drawing series, and this is the lesson 4. So again I'm saying that if you are watching this channel for the first time for your B Arc entrance preparation, do watch the other videos as I'm going continuously. Okay, now moving on with the street view in 2 point perspective. First of all, you need to have a small rectangle in any corner of your page in order to plan your setting. Okay, so first I should draw the horizon, and I am keeping this horizon in bottom as I prefer to be smaller than the buildings. Okay, I am in a big town, so the buildings will be bigger, and if this and this are my vanishing points, I am drawing some buildings randomly like this, and yes, like this. Then again some building of different heights, here also different height buildings. Okay, this is a lengthy building, and then I am drawing a path where people can walk, and I'll draw some trees over here and here. That's it. I'm keeping my drawing simple, as you should understand how to draw a street in 2 point perspective, and I am not going to detail any of my drawings. Okay, now I'm drawing my horizon, so I'm drawing it in bottom here. Okay, you should draw your lines so light when you draw first time, and for the next stage you should darker your lines. Okay, so that when you're rubbing something it will not affect your drawing. And I'm fixing VP1 and VP2 over here and here. Clear? Now the thing what I am going to do is fixing a height to my first and foremost building. I am fixing my height here, and now I should draw the guidelines to VP1 and VP2. Okay, guidelines should also be very light so that you could rub very easily before damaging your drawing. And then I am fixing my length, and my length is this much, Okay, I'm not going so fast so that you'll understand every bit of what I drew. And now I'm drawing horizontal lines to the buildings, which I feel that they are the windows or the glass panes, international style building. Now I'm fixing some points so that I could get regular length to my horizontal lines, or regular width for my horizontal lines. And the first floor should be slightly above my eye level, right? So I'm doing like this. Yes, and then I'm not drawing guidelines completely. Okay. Okay. And then to this. Like this. And then I'm drawing some vertical lines which will be parallel to my height. So I should just draw like this. So I'm almost done with my first building. Okay. You can do any detailing as you need, but just I am drawing a street to just understand the concept of 2-point perspective. Now I am drawing a building out here. Now the building must has a width, so I must show the width also, and I'm hoping this building should be taller than this. And I'm fixing the height as height like this. Now just a second. I'm drawing guidelines. I think you are not seeing that because of my arrangement. Sorry, I will do it neatly for the next class. And my length of the building is this much. And the width, actually it has more width so that I could not end the length. Okay, so it's just like that. And here also I should draw something. Okay, towards the next vanishing point. Now, and you could do anything over this also, glass pane, window, or some doors, decorative doors, or if it's transparent you can also draw some lifts, etc. in this building. And then a smaller building. That's it. I just need to clarify your doubts into point perspective. That's why I drew some real life example for 2-point perspective. For 1-point perspective, I have shown you how to draw a railway track in 1-point perspective. And And then yes, I'm drawing some buildings over here also. Okay, it vanishes like this. And here the heights should be parallel. I'm drawing randomly so that there's somewhat slanting. Sorry for that. So that's the thing, and I'm stopping for this much, and I'm drawing some tree over here, just a random tree. And what makes this tree live is your shading. I will bring out some shading techniques also. And now I am drawing a footpath. And for footpath there should be some specific width, right? I have drawn a width here. Now it vanishes to a vanishing point using the guideline. Sorry, I don't know why it's going like that, because I'm not too much expert. I got some knowledge and I'm sharing with you guys. That's it. So that's the thing, I'm drawing the width. I don't know if this means to you something, but yes, I know that you are benefiting from this. So do subscribe to our channel and also share with your friends who are in need of this. I'm drawing some trees like this, and I could also draw a sitting thing like this around my tree, so that it makes this city well planned. Okay, everything you draw should have a width, so you must draw the width. Okay, and you should rub out these things and then draw a tree. I'm just drawing this. You should be able to shade this tree. Okay, and you can fix as many trees here and here, so that the judges will be clear about your concept in 2-point perspective. That means the width of these will decrease, the height will decrease, tree's height, and here also the tree's height will decrease. If the tree's height is this much here, it will diminish like this, like this, like this, like this, and reach to a vanishing point. So you could add those figures as well in your drawing. So I am stopping my drawing here. You can complete this by adding your own surface designings, some trademarks, etc. And also you don't make this cement footpath or concrete footpath. You can use some interlocks, and yes, here also you can make this with bricks. Instead of this, you can plant a palm, anything like that. Okay, as you see a countryside. So you can expand your drawings as much you want, but you should be clear that your drawing should not exceed half an hour duration. So you should draw everything within that half an hour. Every detailing should be done in that half an hour. uh, you should practice in half an hour, so that in your exam you will not suffer time collapsing. Okay, so that's it with the video. Thank you guys for watching my video. To subscribe, share, like and comment if you have any doubts or you want any lessons regarding your entrance preparation. Thank you.